Samsung users were not expecting this update to be this good, because One UI 8.5 may look simple at first, but once you start exploring the hidden changes, you realize Samsung quietly upgraded almost every major part of the Galaxy experience. The system feels smoother, Galaxy AI is smarter, cameras perform better, gaming is more stable, and there are hidden settings inside this update that completely change how your Samsung phone works. Some of these features honestly feel like they belong on future flagship devices. But the craziest part is that most users still haven't discovered them yet. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best hidden One UI 8.5 features and settings you should enable immediately after updating your Samsung Galaxy phone. Before watching, please do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you can get notified on daily tech updated. The first thing you'll notice after updating to One UI 8.5 is how polished everything feels. Samsung improved animations across the entire system. App opening and closing animations are smoother, multitasking transitions feel cleaner, and scrolling finally feels more fluid than before. Earlier versions of One UI sometimes felt slightly heavy during fast navigation, especially after extended usage. But this update makes the phone feel noticeably lighter and faster. Even older Galaxy devices feel refreshed because of these animation improvements. Now here's one hidden upgrade most users completely miss. Samsung improved RAM and background app management in One UI 8.5. Earlier, Galaxy phones sometimes closed apps too aggressively to save memory, but now multitasking feels much more reliable. Apps stay active longer in the background, switching between tasks feels faster, and overall stability improved significantly. This is especially noticeable if you constantly switch between social media apps, browsers, editing tools, and games. Samsung also quietly upgraded battery optimization. The system now analyzes your usage habits more intelligently and automatically manages consuming excessive battery in the background. If an app starts draining power unusually fast, your phone recommends putting it into sleep mode immediately. But the biggest improvement is adaptive charging. Your Galaxy phone now learns your charging routine faster and delays overnight charging intelligently to reduce battery wear over time. This small change can actually help maintain battery health in the long run. And honestly, standby battery drain feels much better after this update. Overnight battery loss appears lower on many Samsung devices, especially flagship Galaxy models. Now let's talk about Galaxy AI because Samsung is clearly focusing heavily on artificial intelligence in One UI 8.5. One of the coolest new additions is AI Writing Assist. Whether you're writing a message, caption, email, or note, Galaxy AI can instantly rewrite your text in different styles. You can make your message sound professional, casual, shorter, friendlier, or more polished with one tap, and surprisingly, the results feel very natural. Samsung also improved voice transcription accuracy. If you record meetings, lectures, interviews, or voice notes, Galaxy AI now converts speech into text much more accurately. It even separates different speakers better, making transcriptions easier to understand. But honestly, one of the smartest hidden AI upgrades is inside Settings Search. Earlier, finding specific settings could sometimes feel frustrating because you needed exact keywords, but now, you can type natural phrases like battery drains fast, phone gets hot, or internet feels slow, and Galaxy AI immediately suggests the relevant settings. This honestly feels like having a built-in AI assistant inside your Samsung phone. Now let's move to the camera because Samsung quietly improved photography again in One UI 8.5. Image processing now looks more natural with less aggressive sharpening. Skin tones appear cleaner, night mode handles bright lights better, and moving subjects are captured with improved stability. Samsung also improved zoom stabilization during video recording, making handheld footage look smoother. There's also a hidden improvement for content creators. Samsung upgraded AI microphone focus while recording videos. The system now reduces wind and background noise more intelligently while keeping voices clear. This makes a noticeable difference for vloggers or outdoor video recording. Another underrated feature is AI-powered gallery search. You can now search photos using natural language. For example, typing food photos, cars at night, beach sunset, or cat pictures instantly finds matching images from your gallery. This becomes incredibly useful once your gallery contains thousands of photos. Samsung also improved object removal inside photo editing. Earlier versions sometimes created messy edits when removing people or objects, but now the AI fills backgrounds much more naturally. Shadows, textures, and reflections are handled better too, making edits look cleaner and more realistic. Now here's something productivity users are going to love. One UI 8.5 upgraded multitasking significantly. Split screen mode feels smoother, floating windows are more stable, and transitions between apps happen faster. Samsung also improved memory optimization behind the scenes, allowing more apps to stay active without constant refreshing. Samsung DeX also became much better. Wireless DeX connections are now more reliable, mouse response feels smoother, and keyboard latency improved noticeably. For people using DeX for work or presentations, these upgrades make the desktop experience feel much more polished. Gamers also get several hidden improvements in One UI 8.5. Samsung upgraded Game Booster with smarter thermal balancing and more stable frame performance. Games now maintain smoother frame rates during longer sessions without overheating as quickly. Battery efficiency during gaming also feels slightly improved. Samsung also strengthened privacy and security features. The updated privacy dashboard clearly shows which apps recently accessed your camera, microphone, location, or clipboard. Samsung also improved clipboard protection, warning users if apps attempt to read copied passwords or sensitive data. Quick Share is another feature that quietly became much better. File transfers between Galaxy devices are now faster and more stable, especially for large videos and folders. Samsung also improved compatibility with non-Samsung devices, making sharing easier overall. One UI 8.5 also improves ecosystem connectivity. Galaxy Buds switch faster between devices, clipboard syncing feels more reliable across Samsung products, and app continuity between Galaxy phones and tablets works more smoothly than before. Samsung is clearly building a stronger ecosystem experience, and honestly, it's becoming seriously impressive. Samsung even upgraded lock screen customization in this update. Widgets now animate more smoothly, customization feels more flexible, and always-on display transitions look cleaner and more premium. These small visual improvements combine to make the entire phone feel more modern. And finally, Samsung refreshed several system apps with cleaner layouts and redesigned interface elements. The battery section, clock app, gallery menus, and quick settings panel all now look more visually consistent. Individually, these changes may seem small, but together they make One UI 8.5 feel much more refined. So overall, One UI 8.5 is not just another small Samsung update. It improves the Galaxy experience everywhere with smoother animations, smarter AI features, upgraded cameras, better battery optimization, stronger gaming performance, improved multitasking, and deeper ecosystem integration. And honestly, many users probably still haven't discovered even half of these hidden features yet. So which One UI 8.5 feature are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want more Samsung updates, hidden tricks, and daily tech content, make sure to subscribe to Tech Insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.